Can you believe the audacity some stars display, even when the body cam footage is rolling? Hollywood is buzzing after TMZ dropped more jaw-dropping body cam footage from Taylor Frankie Paul's infamous 2023 domestic violence arrest, revealing a chaotic scene that truly needs to be seen to be believed. The former Secret Lives of Mormon Wives star appeared extremely intoxicated, yet audaciously bickered with officers, displaying a shocking level of privilege that had fans questioning everything. As she staggered through her kitchen, getting increasingly agitated, Taylor even challenged the officers' presence and questioned their job, despite being reminded her own children were inside. She bizarrely claimed to be only a tote out of 10 inches drunk, even as her words slurred beyond recognition, prompting the officer to highlight his role in preventing further trauma. Eventually, her parents arrived to get the kids to safety, but the drama culminated with Taylor's arrest as the aggressor. She later pleaded guilty to aggravated assault, making this new footage a stark reminder of that tumultuous night. What a wild ride. Don't miss out on more exclusive insights into celebrity
Thanks for watching.
chaos.
Subscribe
Hit
for the
that
latest
subscribe
Hollywood
button.
gossip and celebrity updates.